Oh, hello. Uh, Today I will solve another tricky problem. The problem is k into k to k minus k into k is equal to 100. So, what is the solving process of the question? And the problem is k is equal to how much? So, solving process of the question is let's write it down like as k cube plus k into k minus k square is equal to 100. Let common k square, that will be, then this part will be k minus 1 is equal to 100. So let it break down such that one part is gives a square, so it may possible 10 square and 1, it may possible 2 square and 5 square, and another no other combination will be happened here. So let we try it first one by one. So if we use a k as a value of the k is 10, k it here k may be 2 or k may be 5, as k square is equal to 2 or and 5. Okay? So if we use, we will check first condition at first. So k square, if we use k as a is equal to 10, then would be, so 10 minus 1, so 100 into 9, so 900. So it doesn't satisfy our condition, that this is not our solution. Okay, let now put the value k is equal to 2. Okay, so let me check k square 2 minus 1, so this is 4 into 1, so this is 4, so this also not our solution. If we use k square is equal to 5, k square not is equal to k is equal to 5, then we get, so k is equal to 5, so there will be k square 5 minus 1 is equal to 25 into 5 minus 1 4, 25 4 is a 100. So these are valid answer for the value of for k. So you can see that this is a third degree equation. So here also we have three equation for the k. One, and here the one equation is real number, that the value of the k is 5. This is a real number, and the another two parts is are imaginary number. Okay, so in the mainly we ask for the real number, real solution for the equation. Okay,